Hello everybody, my name is Aaron with the Helcim Guru team, and today we're going to tell you about our ranged pricing option where with your online store, you'll be able to set your products to have different pricing based on the quantity that your customers purchase. A good example of this would be if someone purchases 1 or 5 or 10 of an item, and the customer will pay a different and lower price based on the ranges that you set. For ranged pricing, our first step will be to head over to the products section. We do have a video that goes over all of the steps for creating retail products, and we recommend checking that out if you need more information. So today we're going to be enabling range pricing for a shirt in our clothing store. So let's find our product and click on it. From the overview screen, we're going to click on Advanced Pricing, and we are going to click on Enable Price by Quantity Ranges, and we can see our range fields populate below. So we're going to enter in our range and our price. With this shirt, we will set it that 1 to 2 shirts will be $45. We're going to click on Add Range to add another. 3 to 4 shirts will be $40. And 5 to 10 shirts will be $35. Once we have our quantity and pricing in place, we're going to go ahead and click Save. Now keep in mind, range pricing will apply to all variants that are under a product. Now that we have our options in place and saved, let's see it in action by heading to our online store. So we're going to find our item and click on it. And next, we're going to click on the size and the color. So we're going to order 1 lime shirt and add it to the cart. We're going to add 3 peach shirts. And as you can see in our shopping cart, our pricing is adjusting. We're going to add 1 more blue shirt to make it 5, and we see that our shopping cart has adjusted again. And there you have it. Ranged pricing is a great way to have your customers buy a higher quantity and receive a lower price. Thank you for joining us again for another tutorial video, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.